Okay, I'm explaining about communication, right? The man himself was the means of communication in olden days. If the man himself is a communication means of communication in the olden days because there is no all this technologies has been in the olden days the man is used to communicate himself by the post of messaging some by the post we are writing some all the messages sending through the post by the walk or any other with the help of the animals. So until recent times, messages were sent by the post. In the communication system, they sent by the post. They used to send all the messages through the post or with the pigeons. They'll send through the letters with the pigeons. That is called speed post in the olden days. Communications with the people in far away places was made easier by the invention of the telephone. Because of invention of telephone, they started communicating easier to the far away places like STD. In the old, in some days we used to using a landline phone. First, they invented the pager. You all can see we instead of mobile, first they came. It will be a pager, like it's like a box. We are sending the messages through pages for to the far places. We are communicating to pages. Next, they invented the telephone. The communication with the people is far away places with the made easier by the invention of telephone. The invention of radio signal which can travel through air and vacuum has also brought about a major differences in communication. After that, they invented radio also. With the signal they started sending the message, they are telling some messages, and we can hear the song also, listen the song, some beautiful musics, everything from the radio which can travel. We can travel with the signals, we can take the radios from different places. Has also brought about a major differences in communication. Radio signals are transmitted from one Earth stations to another with the help of the artificial satellite. Because of this man technology, they have invented the artificial satellite also. Our natural satellite, you all know, our natural satellite is moon. So, artificial satellite, in this artificial satellite objects that are placed in Earth orbit from for this purpose, artificial satellites are used for many other purpose. They are using this artificial satellite for the many other purpose to like transferring the telephone calls over the oceans. Even we can transfer the call. Before we can't transferring the call, only we can receive and we can talk. But because of this artificial satellite, we started transferring call to the telephone calls to the oceans, over the ocean, weather forecasting about the weather, and assisting navigations of ships, even to the ships and aircraft. Everything has been improved and supporting military activities. The invention of the computer and internet as revolutions. All these are improved communication. Totally, communication is improved because of all this daily. Our everyday life because of this artificial satellite. Next, communication today, most messages are sent across by the email. Even now, email or by using online messages systems like Yahoo and Google. Even now, you all are using most of the small children also using mobiles. They used to, and also they know to operate the computer. So today most messages are sent across the email or by using online messages. Like we are doing online classes, same as online messages system like Yahoo and Google. SMS is called as, what do you mean by full form of SMS? Short messaging system. Through mobile phones is the most popular means of quick communication, so that we can call for other countries with the STD. This is a quick communications. These days, televisions is another important forms of mass communication. Mass communication will come to know about the other countries. If you want to go for other countries, nowadays we can move by 3 days or 4 days. But in olden days, they not at all moving from here to there because of no transport facilities. So now it's very easier to know about the weather condition, to go from here to there, and transportation facilities. Everything is done by the because of this online. Televisions is another important forms of mass communication. People get to know current event through news channels. We come to more news from the news channel itself. If any weather conditions is wrong, any wrong thing, any war, everything will get the news from the news channels. It is almost also the most popular entertainment medium. No wonder it has become a basic accessories in all houses. Of course, without television, even small kid won't live at home. No, rural and urban, we must not forget the good one. Newspapers that was and continues to be the most popular and cheapest means of mass communication, notwithstanding all the advancements made in the science and technology. Even newspaper is very, very important in that day to now. From in olden days to now, in olden days we don't have any newspaper. Now newspaper, even without televisions, is it okay? But newspaper is very important to improve our knowledge. We can improve our knowledge with so many news where we will get about the sports, about our country, about our street, everything we are going to know about the in the newspaper. Newspaper is the most and most cheapest and common popular communications. And also you know magazines also is mass communication. You can know so much about our street and some important news. Next, I'll go with factories. A factory is a building where ready to use materials are manufactured from raw materials with the help of machinery. In fact, machinery itself is manufactured in huge factories. People are hired to do the manual work involved. Supervisor, the machines and the manager, the entire manufacturing process. Thus, the factories accounts for the employment of the large sectors of people. So, factories also very important. Factories built were ready to use materials and manufacturing from the raw materials. We are going to use some tire from the rubber, right, from the rubber tree. So that is very important, and all the steel, everything is prepared by the factory, built with ready to use the materials or manufactured from raw materials with the help of machinery. With the help of machinery, we going to prepare all the silent cycles, scooters, in the automobiles, cars, everything. And machinery itself is manufactured in huge factories. Even machinery for large scale industries, here we want most of the industries need and machinery. People are had to do manual work involved. They are doing all this manual work. They used to manual work involved. Supervisor should be must and should in the industries because of look after that machinery and workers and manage the entire manufacturing processes. The supervisor going to manage all entire factory processing, and also they'll involve with the laborers, and they used to they used to give some ideas to some workers, laborers to work more and in good manner. The supervisor should be must and should in the manufacturing process. This factories accounts for the employment of the large sectors of the people. You can see the picture of these machines, right? So because of these machines, some industries will going to run and people will get more salaries, and also they will be in more skill working. They come to know about more working skill. Lack of medicines. This is the textiles factories. And next is about the medical field. Lack of medicines in older times results in high death rate due to the epidemic like smallpox and flu. In modern time, plague. Sorry, smallpox and plague. Plague means it's from the diseases like now corona. How we are suffering from the corona. In the olden days also, some more years back, there will be a plague. So many people are suffered from the plague. Plague is the diseases of rat. It come by the rat because of plague. So many people died, and smallpox also it's very death rate in the olden days because of no proper medical system. So because of this, same as like a corona, plague is also as there, but now we have medicines for plague. In modern time, the average lifespan of people has increased. Also, the fearful epidemic have now become the avoidable due to vaccination and inoculations. Because of vaccination, they started searching more about these medicines, and they got the vaccination for this plague, and it started curing. Now we won't see plague diseases somewhere one place, not more than, but now we are suffering from the corona, same as plague. Also, okay. Though cure for some diseases like AIDS is acute pneumonia deficiency syndrome. This is a full form of AIDS. And a few types of cancer are yet to be found. Even the time AIDS and cancer, all this to be yet to be found. Medicines and vaccines are available for treating many uh, dreaded diseases like the polio and malaria, so as to ensure good health of people. So because of all these diseases, so many people are suffering, and death rate will be a more in the time. So they started the system of medicines. All these all medicine system were changed, and the scientists are started searching more about this. So next is system of medicines. There are many systems of medicines like allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, and Unani. So all this system were started. Scientists started learning more about this medicines because of most of the people are used to the death rate is more in the countries. So because of this, they started searching about the medicine. First is allopathy. Allopathy is the most widely used system of medicines in the world. This is the wide most system. The term allopathy refers to the principle of curing a diseases by administering substances that produce the opposite effects of the diseases, and allopathy medicines used to treat the person having at least rising fever consist of substances that reduce the fever. Because of this fever, they go through going with the allopathy. Like allopathy treatment to treat the infection they used to use for illness and diseases. This include prescriptions drugs, like drugs means like medicines. It's like an antibiotic. It's a antibiotic. Nowadays, doctor will suggest us to take antibiotic for at least for 5 days, because it will be there in antibiotic. The germs will be killed inside. The infection will be reduced within 5 days or 6 days. Next is homeopathy. Homeopathy is the second most widely used system of medicines in the world. Homeopathy is the Greek word which means similar suffering. So homeopathy meaning is in the Greek word they used to call homeopathy, because it is the meaning in English is similar suffering. Similar suffering. It was founded by the Samuel Hahnemann, who was the German physician who founded the similar suffering. Okay, the homeopathy is based on the law let lights be cured by lights. It aims at the curing illness by the stimulating the body's own healing abilities, resulting in a deep and long-lasting cure. So, the homeopathy now also some people will refer with the homeopathy, because for some if we have any cough to long term ago, so it's not curing for us. So for this purpose, the homeopathy they go for homeopathy. Homeopathy is the second most widely used system of medicine. Homeopathy won't affect the body, and it is also homeopathy is also an it's a natural, it's done by a natural things, not by chemicals. So many people move with homeopathy. Some people have used homeopathy to maintain health and treat a wide range of long illness, such as they are going to use for allergy, irritable manner, injured, any such of cuts, as crack and muscles strains or sprains, everything they used to go use this homeopathy, so that it will be, if it is in the, it will take more time, not less time like an English medicine. It will take more time and it is more curable. That's why this is the second most widely used system of medicines in the world, homeopathy. Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a system of medicines practiced widely in India and throughout southern East Asia. Okay, this is still your homeopathy. I taught you. Do you understand? I think you understand all this Ayurveda, homeopathy. Still, I didn't said you about Ayurveda, allopathy, homeopathy, system of medicines, and the technologies of this practice and medical field. Okay, I'll continue in the next class, children.